Question. What's your worst DG nightmare?
When it comes to leading DG for an automaker, my biggest nightmare is watching one of my EV car batteries burn for hours, unable to be stopped.
As a warehouse manager, it's a big one. I'm working 18-hour days that are nonstop fire drills because no one knows how to ship DG like this compliantly.
My nightmare is one of these. A single leak can shut down an entire plant in an instant.
Been there. Take me through it.
When our DG gets returned, we get slapped with violations, and so do the carriers. That disrupts everything and puts everyone's job on the line.
If there's a battery recall, suddenly a lot of folks are in life-threatening situations. I need a better way to DG.
I hear you. The pressures of keeping my people safe while protecting my business caused me a lot of sleepless nights. That's why I partner with DGeo.
Who's DGeo?
DGeo is the new DG Solutions division at Labelmaster. They're multi-industry experts who think about Hazmat differently. They help businesses ensure their DG operations are compliant, as well as effective and efficient.
Okay, but can they help simplify my DG shipping?
Absolutely. DGeo offers logistics and warehousing solutions and even proprietary DG transport software so you can guarantee that your team is shipping DG compliantly for the cheapest price possible.
How about me? Do they know how to ship damaged batteries, end to end?
Of course. DGeo provides end-to-end dealer services, integrated ordering, and reporting platforms. They know battery recalls inside and out and already work with several large OEMs, from delivery to disposal.
Can they help me too?
Definitely. DGeo's innovative containers and solutions can lower your costs while providing maximum protection for your products. They can even create custom solutions for you.
Working with DGO sounds like a much easier way to DG.
A much safer way to DG.
The only way to DG.
There's a better way to DG.
Learn more at DGeo.com.